Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is João. So here in this video, we continue about how we can create AI agents by using Python. So first we have to set up our environment. So as I said before, so we are going to learn how we can create AI agent from scratch. So the first thing that we need to do is to set up our environment that we are going to work on. For that, you can use any code, any text editor that you want. Even you can use Jupyter, no problem. So you can use any code editor from your choice. So for us here, I'm going to use VS Code. So for that, let's set up our environment. So for that, as we know, it's very good practice so that we can create any virtual environment and work on that virtual environment so that we can avoid the clash between Python libraries. So for that, we are going to do something. Let's create a virtual environment. So for that, I'm going to use pipenv to create a virtual environment. So I'm going to come here. I'll come terminal, a new terminal. So in this terminal, I'm going to do something like that. See, I'll come here and I'm going to use pipenv. I'm going to use this guy, pipenv. Pipenv shell to create and activate a new virtual environment. So if you don't have pipenv installed in your machine, you just do something like that. Pip install. Pipenv. This way, just hit enter, it will install pipenv on your machine. So since I don't need to do that, but I'll keep this command also in the description of this video. So after that, to create and activate your virtual environment, just do something like that. Pipenv this way. Pipenv shell. So this command pipenv shell is a command that it will install. It will create a new, not install, sorry. It will create a new virtual environment, and after that, it will activate also a virtual environment. So let us do that. I'm going just to hit enter, boom, enter, and let it work. Let's wait for a while. As you guys saw, after that, see, after the command run, it just create a new virtual environment. It install everything, and also in the same way it activated the virtual environment. As you can see, lashing sub shell in virtual environment. Boom, perfect. So let me clear this thing. So the first thing that we need to do is to install the libraries that we are going to work on this. So for that, let's do something like that. Pip install. Pip install. So the first library that we are going to install will be openai. So let's say openai this way. So not this way, is completely wrong. Pip install openai this way. Then hit enter, it will install openai in our virtual environment. So let's wait it to install. Perfect. As we can see, it just finished to create to install openai. So let's clear this. Clear. So now we need to grab our openai. So for that, let's do something like that. So let's create a new file. So I'm going to create a new file. Let's say main. I'm going to call it just main.py. Something like that. Boom. So in this file, let's import openai. Or import openai. Openai. Let's import openai this way. So and let's try to do something like print. Oh no need print. Just let's try to run this thing. So let me save, and if I run, let's say if we are going to get an error, as you can see, nothing's happened. So that means everything is okay. So if we don't get any error, that means things is okay. But if we get any error, that means things are not working. As we can see, it just run and we didn't get any error. So that means openai now is installed. It's working perfectly. So let me clear this thing. So the next thing that we need, to finish our setup, see, there are a lot of ways that you can set up your environment. But here, as I said, we are going to create a AI agent from scratch. We need to start from the beginning itself, so that you can start understanding the things properly, how this works. So we need to connect the points, step by step. Don't need to jump into a complex thing that you will be shit, what's going on, what I'm doing, how I get these results. No, that's why I want to create the things from the scratch, so that you can start understanding the thing. This is how they do things, blah blah blah, something like that. So you can start understanding the things, what's really going on. So perfect. So now we need to get the openai key. So to get openai key, so we need to do something like this. See, you need to come here in this platform, okay, in the OpenAI practically, okay. So I'm going to keep the link in description of this video, okay. So we need to have an OpenAI account, okay. So I'm going to create a new account. So to create a new account, you just click here on sign up, okay. Let's see the process. Then after that, you can use any option that you want here. So okay, now he's asking me this thing, okay. I can just jump here into, okay, boom, something like this, okay, perfect. So now it'll take me to ChatGPT, but I don't want ChatGPT, so I can go back to that link again. I just click enter, and boom, now, okay, since we are logged, okay. So now the next thing that we need to do is we have to grab our API key, okay. So to get the API key, I'm just come here, okay. I'm going to search for key. There is API key. I'm going to click there. So we just need to create a new API key, okay. So a new secret key, not API key, okay. A new secret key, okay. So I'm going to give any name, okay. I'm going to call it tutorial, okay. I'm going to select project. I will select this one, service itself, okay. So my account is not a paid account, okay. So that's why I say everyone just create your own API, your own account, and grab your secret key, okay. So I'm going to create, and then, okay, this is my secret key, the key that I need, okay. And I'm going to copy it. And I'm going back here, okay. So after back here, so the next thing that I'm going to do will be, okay, I'm just going to create okay, I import it OpenAI, then I'll do something like that, okay. OpenAI, okay, OpenAI dot API key, okay. This way API key will be equal, and then I'm going to paste my key here, okay. It must be as a string, boom, save, okay. And after saving, okay, I'm going to save. Let me run this to see if I'm going to get an error or not. Okay, I just ran, I didn't get anything, so that means our app, our setup is finished, okay. So in the next video we are going to learn how we can create our first API, okay, no, so our first our first agent, okay, our first agent, okay, by using Python, okay. Bye, my name is João, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.